When is it the right time to quit Upwork? How to recognize that the amount of effort for competing for Upwork jobs is incomparable with the earnings on the platform. After posting my video on how I helped win the first Upwork job in 4 days, I got more than 200 requests for help from people struggling to find their first job and about to quit. I also got a lot of requests from freelancers who earned a little money, but could not scale their businesses. They made the first steps, but were also on the edge of quitting. Here are some questions you should ask yourself before quitting anything. You can easily apply them if you think of quitting Upwork. Question number 1. How are you measuring success? So if you want to quit Upwork because you aren't unsuccessful in comparison with her, do you know your numbers and average in your niche? Here are mine. I sent about 300 proposals in the last 90 days. 102 of them were viewed and brought me 8 jobs, which is roughly a 3% conversion rate. My target lifetime value from one client is about $2,000 for now. So if you send 300 proposals and see much worse results, let's say than mine, you can think whether you need to adjust your profile and sales copy or just quit. But when freelancers show me that they sent like 15-20 proposals in the last 90 days and complain that they can't win the job, I always have the same answer. You just didn't bring enough to materialize it to the first job. Sometimes it happens that you can win the first job on the 3rd or 4th day. But guess what? After 300 proposals, the conversion rate will still be about 3%, because statistics of big numbers don't lie. So you need to know the real numbers of people you can compare yourself to, and only after that, analyze how far you are from these reference points. If you are far from them, do not hurry up to quit. Question number 2. Am I making measurable progress? Since you know the numbers you're striving for, you can track your progress. What was your conversion rate in the last 2-3 quarters? Is there a positive progression? Also, I track the rise of the hourly rate, amount of the hours billed, and LTV as key metrics. You can rarely see a big shift in month-to-month comparison. Quarter-to-quarter statistics will show a clearer picture of the progression. Since you know how to track your progress, you can also be dissatisfied with the speed of the progress you make. It's totally understandable, especially for overachievers like me. But again, do not hurry up to quit. The progress rarely goes linear. You must complete the accumulation phase before earnings plummet to the next level. Each skill you learn, each practical and theoretical experience in the niche compounds to the point when you're ready to make the breakthrough. Like Ernest Hemingway in his novel The Sun Also Rises said. How did you go bankrupt? Bill asked. 2 ways, Mike answered. Gradually and then suddenly. The same here. If you don't quit Upwork, your earnings will grow gradually and then suddenly. Question number 3. Is your decision to quit emotional? You are at the stage when you know your reference points and have made some progress, but you still want to quit. It's time to ask yourself, is it an emotional decision? Am I panicking, tired, or anxious? Freelancing can sometimes be stressful. Miscommunication with clients, their systematic toxic behavior or caprices can lead to tiredness and anxiety. But it isn't a reason to quit. It's a sign that you need some rest. It can also signify that you must quit relationships with some clients. You can also be tired of putting in lots of effort and getting tiny outcomes. In this case, applying the 80-20 rule would be wise. I do it this way. I analyze what 20% of clients bring me 80% profit once a quarter. It helps me eliminate those clients where I waste my time and double down on clients where I'm the most profitable. So before you push the quit button, you should soberly analyze your situation. Look at your numbers. Don't let emotions blind you. Most of the time, perseverance is what is required to walk all the way from the start to mastery. I hope this 3-step test will guide you to decide whether you need to quit Upwork or double down on it. If you want to get more guides like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have you ever been close to quitting freelancing? Tell me in the comments. Go watch the episode on how the Upwork introduction video can boost your freelance career.